Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2016 Toyota Rav4 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing and fading over time, as well as protecting it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, so to start with the installation, just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film, and just place the film to the headlight and start by aligning it to this section of the edge of the headlight. So once you have it aligned right on the edge, lift it carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position and use your squeegee to secure it to this section of the headlight. And with this one, you can apply a little bit of heat just to help the adhesive on the film activate a little faster. And then once we're done heating up around this area, just continue on with the rest of the film. Okay, so now all we have to do is just make sure we align it to the edge. So it requires just a small stretch, just until you reach it to the edge. And once it's on the edge, lift the film carefully, place it down, and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position, tack it down a little bit, and then tack down the rest in the middle here. Make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film. And then this should line up to the curve here, and then just tack it down. And all we have to do now is lay this top section of the film to the top layer of the headlight. So just lay it down and start tacking it down. Now just apply a little bit of heat around this area, that way the finger that we have here stays tacked down, and also this one here. And then once we're done tacking down the finger, pulse heat, that way we can help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it stays to the headlight. So the last thing to do once you finish with the whole installation is to pulse heat the entire film. So just apply Tack Solution all over the headlight, and we're going to use our heat gun to start applying heat throughout the entire headlight. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down the film and remove any excess solution that we may have around the edges. So take your time when you're doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2016 Toyota Rav4. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.